Welcome to Super Channel! I'm going to make an X shape with the magnetic building blocks. This is how it's going to look. I need 2 squares and 2 triangles. I'm going to attach them so I will make a diamond. Now I need 2 more squares and 2 more triangles. Now I'm going to attach them to the squares so it will become a diamond. I already have 2 of the diamonds, so I have to make 2 more diamonds. I have to do the same procedure 2 more times. This is how it looks. I'm going to do the same procedure 2 more times at the same time. First, I need 2 squares and 2 triangles. I'm going to add 2 more triangles to both of the items. Now, I'm going to add 2 more squares to them, to both of the diamonds, and now I'm gonna add 4 more triangles, 2 for one and 2 for the other. In the picture it says to make 4 diamonds, but I already made 4 diamonds. Now I need to add a square to the project. 6 squares to make the box. I have 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to attach them all to make a box. Now I'm going to attach the diamonds to the square so I'll be finished. Attach, 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 and attach. Now I'm all done. This is how it looks like.